Hey y'all, we out here shooting these little flyers. Look, they're trying to get the grip of it. Let's see. Let me see.
We about to go eat some cereals.
Okay. Did you do is yours on there right? Okay. Darion got one. Let me see. Okay. And he's gonna shoot it. Let's see it.
The wing's supposed to go like this.
Let me see.
The wing's supposed to go like that.
You gonna shoot yourself. Once you get the hang of it.
Which way? You can turn your light on.
Yeah, the light come on when when it flies. The light come on.
When it drop, it'll come on.
Yeah, it goes up when you. Okay.
Okay, I think this.
When we did it, we were like complicated. Wait, okay. Because you can bend it back and then it'll go.
Because you're supposed to hold it like that with this.
Oh, okay. It didn't work. Once you get it, y'all gonna pick up paper. There goes somebody's rubber band down there. Okay. Whose is that down there? Yours? Okay, you got it? Okay. Once y'all get it, you can get it. Whoa, okay, that one went up. Okay, show Darion, show. Okay, it's just the rubber band thing. It's crazy. Whoa, y'all can see the lights from there. Oh, you got it, huh? Little Gwen got it.
Oh, I did it.
You did it. All right, they're cheering for themselves. They got it. Okay, who's it down here?
I'm not doing it.
Okay, show Darion, show. It's really. Get a chair and look on top of the refrigerator. I mean, on top of the cabinet with my silverware pantry. Canned good.
Like this?
You shooting it back. Ooh, did you pop yourself? You broke it too.
That yours ain't gonna swim no more. Yours ain't gonna swim no more.
It ain't gonna swim no more. It's gone.
Y'all must just put yours high.
You gonna put it high in the air?
Nothing. Well, I ain't got no
I'm finna go to the store in a minute and get some kites.
I ain't got no
D,
Put this in the garbage.
D.
Keep a half of that piece. Y'all might need that rubber band for the other pieces.
I know how to.
Whoa! I don't know if y'all seen it or not. I don't know, huh? You don't want one? It's too good. It's kind of complicated. Man, you can see the lights. We can save them now. Y'all can shoot them at night since Darion know how to do it. Hey y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Put your mind to it. Hey, leave us a comment. Tell us what you want to see. But we're going to get some kites. And today is a good day. Let me see. All right, check y'all later. My phone is ringing. Come on, answer. See you later. Hello.